Hello beautiful people, it's me, your girl Priscilla, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to make money on Shein if you are living in South Africa. Now when I'm speaking about making money on Shein, I'm speaking about how to make real money on Shein, money that you can literally withdraw to your bank account. Now you guys, the method of making money on Shein that I'm going to be talking about in today's video is the Shein affiliate program. Now if you join the Shein affiliate program, this is what's going to happen. Shein is going to give you a link which you are supposed to use to get people to join Shein using. Now what's going to happen, beautiful people, is if you do get people to actually join Shein using that particular link, Shein is going to reward you every time one of your invitees goes ahead and shops on Shein by giving you some type of commission, right? If you continue working, the moment your money amounts to 400 Rand, you'll be home and dry because you will be able to withdraw your money to your South African bank account. Another way that you can actually use Shein to make money is by promoting Shein products. Now, what do I mean by this? Now, you guys, Shein has a list of products that it actually needs people to promote. So what Shein does, once you do go ahead and you join this affiliate program, is it provides links that you can literally use to promote products, right? If you do get to convince someone to buy that particular product using your link, you will get some type of money. Now, for you to qualify for this affiliate program, you must have some type of social media following. Think about it, guys. I think it only makes sense because it is far much easier for you to push these links, whether it be a link whereby you get people to join Shein for the first time with, or it be a product link. It's quite easier for you to push those particular links if you have a following, other than it would be if you do not have a following. So if you want to join the Shein affiliate program, you can go ahead and apply right via Shein, and just give it a couple of days and see the type of response that they're gonna give it to you. Now I strongly advise you guys to do this if you do have, some type of following on TikTok. If you have some type of following on YouTube, do go ahead and give it a try because you could score yourself some money. So that's it, beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will be seeing you guys in another one. Do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel if this video was helpful. And as I always say, beautiful people, remember to take care of yourselves, remain hopeful, and be good to one another. I will be seeing you guys in another one. You are loved. Mwah. Bye-bye.